So today we got this concealed jig for hinges, for Euro hinges. And what we like about this jig, it has a ruler here that it measures the distance from the edge of your door where you're gonna drill it. It has this spacer to measure the depth of the plywood. It has a bit included that's not removable, that way you don't lose it. It has an adapter for your drill to use it. It goes in like this, really easy. And it has a clamp. So what we like about this is that you're not gonna lose the parts like previous ones that we own. And the bonus part, it comes with an extra bit to drill for the hinges, for the screws. And it has an extra ring and some extra screws and an Allen wrench to fix that. So this jig also, what it has here, it already has the distance where you're gonna drill them. So it just goes in there and it marks your screws for the distance of your, to be drilling. Clamp your door. This jig goes like this. Then we're gonna put it at the dimension that we want. Then we set it up for our thickness of the plywood, which is 3/4. And then this adapter that comes with the jig, put it on your drill and start drilling. So the good thing about this adapter, it has a stopper so it doesn't go through, as you see. Once you set it up, it's not gonna go through. So this is a ruler to measure the length of the hinge from the edge. So you just lift it up, you clamp it like that, and then it's a little bit hard, so be careful. And this, you just light it up as well. And they clamp here.
And what is this one
and
for?
And this is to measure the thickness of your plywood.
The depth. So it's to measure the depth on that one. And and on top of that, let me show you another thing. There's all these different ways that you can set these up, all right? And like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 connections that you can move the ruler up and down. And then the main ruler that we have in here is also, you can move it in any format you would. So very handy when you're building something out in the field and you have brand new people that don't know how to measure. This is perfect for those people, or for it could be for a beginner or an experienced person.